Welcome back. Today I'll be opening this quarter's Crate Club General Box. Let me just back up so you can see how big this box is this quarter. So let's check it out. So if you guys aren't familiar with Crate Club, I'll put all that information down below in my description box. So let's just open this bad boy up. Now I'm gonna have to put this off to the side. So let's put this down here. And I'm just gonna take the first thing out, which is the Crate Club cheat sheet, I like to call it. And this giant box right here on the very top, this is the Water Sport GoSpout portable pressurized water tank. So check this out. This is why this box is so big, because this is a big box itself. A little damage there on the side, no biggie. So this just looks like a portable water pump. Ultra portable, molded design, more pumps, more pressure, refills made easy and fast. This is pretty cool. 2-gallon tank, multi-pattern, high pressure nozzle, quick connect hose, and pump cap. So I'm just gonna open this, give you guys a quick look at what this looks like here. And, oh man. Of course, oh wow. So check this out. So it looks like everything comes in. This is the cap here. The nozzle, looks like everything. So what the heck is in here? Oh, this is the hose that just connects to the nozzle here. Let's take out the actual tank though. I want to check this out. This feels really sturdy. It doesn't feel like a cheap plastic container. I was thinking more of, you know, the cheap gas cans you get from Home Depot. This thing is solid. So this just goes right there. Connect the hose to connector right there, and then the nozzle to right there. Very, very nice. Just pump the pressure and you got yourself a little portable hose. This is awesome, guys. They usually don't put prices here in the cheat sheet, but I'll look this up online when I'm editing and I'll put up what this costs and links to everything that I find in this box here. Plus, of course, I'll have all the links to Crate Club if you guys are interested in Crate Club. This is the general box. I know I mentioned that. The general box is quarterly, but Crate Club did come out with a monthly subscription service. There's actually 3 levels to their monthly subscription service. Oh, forgot to show you guys this. Next thing on the top here, very small. The heck is this? A Toadfish non-tipping can cooler. So I don't know. I guess this is just exactly what it says, a non-tipping can cooler. How the hell does this work? Oh, so it's one of those suction cup things here. Let me tilt this down so you guys can see. Once it's on a table, there you go. So it doesn't tip over. So, oh yeah, it can just lift straight up, but if you try to tip it, it doesn't. That is awesome. Very straightforward. If you guys are beer drinkers and are prone to tipping your can, get one of these Toadfish non-tipping can cooler. Let's move on. All right, next we have a SLNT Faraday cage with multi-shield. What is this? Featuring sound pocket. What the heck is this? Oh, it's a Faraday dry bag. So let's open this up. This is pretty straightforward. So it's just a dry bag. If you guys are out camping or out on the water or whatever, you can just put your valuables, phone, whatever you want inside of this. And it comes with a shoulder strap here. These are always really cool, these dry bags. Tons of uses for things like this. So let's read about it here in the cheat sheet. SLNT Faraday Dry Bag, waterproof and signal-proof dry bags that you can take anywhere by placing electronic devices inside. You are securing them for water and wireless threats. Instantly blocks cellular, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, RFID, NFC, EMF, EMP, and key fobs. Super lightweight, packable, durable, 400D nylon ripstop. So guys, this is a very cool bag, but I'm going to stuff everything back in this bag here And let's see what else we have in this box here. I know I'm moving along fairly quickly here. It's just how these boxes go sometimes. This is a Holtzman's, what is this? Survival camping knife. Oh, yes. All right. Of course, we gotta use a knife to unbox a knife. And all right, let me tilt this down so you guys can see this. So it came with a warning sheet here and how to sharpen your knife. Okay, I'll take this off. Wow, look at all this. Let's just take this out and check out the knife first. Looks like we have some G10 handles right here. Oh my God. It's all wrapped up here. Very, very oily. Check that out. This is awesome. I love the design here on these handles. I'm guessing these are G10. I'm not 100% sure. So let's see, 8.6 inches overall. Easy grip, anti-slip, G10 handle. So yes, I was right. 4-inch D2 steel blade, 58 to 60 HRC hardness. It's the Holtzman Silverback combo kit. So what else does it come with here? So it does come with the sheath here. Oh, nice. So it comes with the sheath, and it does have a tech lock system on the back. That's very cool, and they come with it. So Allen wrench. Oh, a ferro rod. So as you guys can see, that ferro rod does fit in right here on this sheath with a little lanyard that it comes with. And it does come with a little striker right here. So I'm guessing you can fit the striker in with, right here. Nice little spot for the striker right here. And I'll give you guys a look at this, if it would focus right there. So you got the rod, you got the striker. That fits in very nicely there. Oh, I am loving this so far. And then looks like it comes with some paracord. Guys, this little kit is pretty awesome. Let's fit the knife into the sheath here. See how nice this fits in. Nice. Clicks in very nicely. Just snap it all up. Nice little package here. Ferro rod, striker, the actual knife itself, some paracord, a sheath, a case sheath, the Holtzman Silverback combo kit. What do you guys think of this? This is pretty cool. All right, next, I'm just gonna leave the camera like this so you guys can see on my desk here. This is a Camo form reusable self-cling wrap. So this is gonna be a wrap for firearms. Actually, this has many uses. There's no adhesive, but it's just self-clinging. So yeah, there is no adhesive on that. You can see it's not sticking, but it just sticks to itself. And I actually want to test this out. I have the perfect thing for that. I'll be right back. All right, so I just did a short video on this. I just picked this up, the Cold Steel Drop Forge Hunter. And I was going to do a paracord wrap on the handle, but what better time to demonstrate this cling wrap here? I'm gonna give myself a little bit of room here and just, I'm gonna try to stretch it and try to make it cling to itself here. I'm sorry you guys couldn't see. Let it cling to itself, and let's cut this. After it's cut there, just sticks to itself. So there you go. So you guys get the idea and see what that looks like on this Cold Steel Drop Forge Hunter. I'm still gonna do a paracord wrap. I'm not really sure if I like the looks of this on this knife. I'd much rather have a paracord wrap on this handle. But like I said, you guys get the idea. This stuff's pretty awesome, multiple uses. Let's move on. All right, and I think we're down to the last item here. Let me see. Nope, nothing left in that box. So this is obviously a backpack, and now you guys see why we needed such a big box this month, because of this backpack and that portable water pump. Oh man, this is awesome. Dude, subtle Patriot. Let's see what the model is here. I'll just take this out and get the cheat sheet out so I can read about what this is. This is the Subtle Patriot Covert Hybrid Backpack. Nice, guys. Check out this almost carbon fiber-ish look right here. The zippers, oh my goodness, that is really nice. Oh, it's a MOLLE right here on the front. It is a nylon MOLLE system. It's not elastic. Check this out. Oh, no way. Look at the inside of this bag. This is awesome. Some pockets right there held together with some Velcro. Multiple pockets just even in this first pouch here. Look at all these pockets here. What? All right. Let me tilt this up and check out this second pocket here. It's like some fabric mesh, little elastic on there. Very cool. I am loving the interior lining of this bag. I've never seen anything from these guys before, this subtle Patriot. Oh, there's another little pocket here on top. What? This is like a fur. What is this? It's like some kind of fur interior. That is not what I was expecting. I was expecting more of this. And then, wow, okay, well that's still really cool. Put your sunglasses in there so they don't get scratched. I can see that. Let's open up this main compartment here. You can see that lining is all on the inside here. Goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag here. You can see that. And then one more compartment right here. Oh, no, it's not. That's not a compartment. That's just to expand the main compartment there. You can see that. That just opens up the whole bag all the way around. I see. So this is expandable by a lot. Then is there any kind of secret compartments on the back? Oh, there's one on the side here. See that? Oh, a little concealment right here on the side. That's very cool. It's a very nice padded shoulder straps right here. And you can see there's a ton of padding on the back. Let me get everything out of the way. This is what's causing the issue. So right there, some nice pads right here in the back. This right here, very nicely padded, but there's also a zipper right there for more concealment. You can see a nice little hidden pocket back there. When it's on your back, nobody can come up and steal anything out of these pockets when they're on your back. So that is awesome. So the cheat sheet says 3 individual file folders, a hardshell plush lined sunglass and reader's pocket. I knew that little furry pocket was for sunglasses. Molly system to attach aftermarket tactical accessories, dual raised shoulder blade pads for comfort and airflow, and hidden padded carry pocket for more private item storage. That's everything right here on the back and on the side here. Wow. I mean, I think I am in love with this backpack here. And you can see the subtle Patriot logo right here that is connected with Velcro, so you can put your own patch there if you want, or just leave that. Yeah, guys, I love this backpack, and this might be my favorite item in this quarter's box, which is saying something because usually it's the fixed blade. I just love backpacks. I love bags, sling bags, and oh, I didn't even mention, look at these zipper pull tabs here. These are all made of metal, and they just, if I can get it and show you guys a close-up of that, and those metal pull tabs are all over this bag here. Not taking anything away from the dry bag, the tipping can cooler, which is really cool. And I will find some uses for this portable water tank right here. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of this quarter's Crate Club General Box? As I mentioned earlier, if you guys aren't familiar with Crate Club, I'll put all that information down below in my description box. This is the General Box. You get this every quarter, but now they have 3 more tiers that are monthly. So definitely go check out Crate Club. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!